Take a ride in the 2016 IS 200T. The Lexus IS 200T is a luxurious compact sedan that is extremely nimble, has a dynamic look, and provides all the bells and whistles you would need. Sit behind the wheel and you'll see why this is a vehicle everyone is clamoring about. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.